Okay, right. We will start now. Okay, we have 113 number of people. Others will be joining. So let's make a note of what we have learned last time. Okay, X or with 0. What will be the answer? X or with 0 is X, right? So any variable or with 0 will, the answer will be the same variable. So any variable X and with 1 will give us answer what?
1.
1.
No, sir, X, sir.
It is X, not 1. Okay. So we will be getting here X, right? Okay, we will be getting here X. Right. Similarly, we will take X plus complement of X. What we will get? X or with complement of X.
1.
1, sir.
1. Okay. And if you take a variable and with its complement, what you will get? A variable
0.
0, right? Similarly, a variable or with same variable, what we will get? A variable or with same variable, what we will?
X.
Okay, it's X, the same one. Okay, 1 or with 1 is 1, 0 or with 0 is 0.
0.
Okay. Similarly, a variable and with same variable, what you will get?
X.
X only, sir.
X only. Okay, right. A variable X or with 1, what you will get? A variable
1.
X or with 1,
1.
1.
you get 1. Okay, so a variable X and with 1, what you will get?
X.
Already we have seen. Okay, we will write this and with 0, what you will get?
0.
0.
1, sir.
0.
0 with 0. Oh, sir. Sorry, sir. Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, we will be getting minimum of the two values, right? 0, right? So if you take X complement and take its complement, what you will get?
X.
X.
Okay, so we write like this also, X complements complement.
Whole
Okay,
complement.
okay. X complements complement. Okay, so it's same thing. So it will be X. Okay, right. Representation is like this. So commutative law. Okay, commutative law. I'll write here. X plus Y. Okay, can be written as X or with Y can be written as Y or with
X.
okay Y or with X. Right, it's equal to Y or with X. Similarly, if you take X and with Y, okay, can be written as
Y dot X.
Y dot X. Okay, Y and with X. This is called as commutative law. Okay, this is called as commutative law. Okay, in short, I am writing commutative law. Now, associative law. We'll take associative law. So, what is associative law? Who can say? We have seen last time. That is
X.
a variable.
Plus Y.
Okay, X or with Y
Y.
or with Z can be written as
X plus Y dot.
X or with Y or with Z. Okay. So, in terms of AND operation, what you can write? X and with Y and Z can be written as
X and with Y.
X.
Y and with Z. It's same thing.
With Z.
Okay. Associative law. Right. Then we'll see distributive law. Okay, we'll see distributive law. Distributive law. So what we can write? X and with y plus y or with z. Okay, x and y or z in bracket can be written as
X plus Y dot X plus Z.
not plus, x and with y or with x and with z. Okay, this is called as distributive law, right? So another way, if you have x plus yz, what we can write? If you have x plus x or with yz, okay, what you can write? We can write it as
X plus Y,
x or y
Y, and X or Z.
with x or with z. Okay, this is called as distributive law, right? So next we'll write De Morgan's law. Okay, De Morgan's law. Who can say? Take De Morgan's law. This is x or with y complement can be written as x complement and with y complement. This is one law. What is other law? If you take x, y, x and y, okay, its complement, it can be written as x complement x complement or with
Plus
y
Y.
complement or with y complement, right? This is De Morgan's law. Okay, so another thing you remember, absorption. Okay, so if we write x or with, okay, x and y, or I can write like x y, what will be the answer? X. Okay, and another one is if you take and with, okay, x and with x or y, we will get answer x. We will be using all these rules. Okay, we will be using all these rules to reduce our expressions. Okay, right. So you can see. So we have listed postulates and theorems of Boolean algebra, right? So right. So this is absorption. Now we will take one example. Okay, these theorems, some of the theorems, I will say how the answers came. Okay, others which I am leaving, you can try yourself. After that, we will take one expression. Okay, and try to reduce it and represent it. Okay, we have taken some random scenarios last time. Okay, last class and last to last class. Some real time things we have expressed them in terms of some function and we try to reduce them. Okay, we try to reduce them. Okay, so let's see. x plus x is equal to x, or with x is equal to x. So how to prove? How to prove? What we'll do? This can be written as, this statement can be written as x or with x, okay, and with 1. Is it same thing or not? And with 1. It is same thing. Any variable and with 1 is resulting in same variable only. Okay. So we have written the LHS x or with x and we multiplied a 1. Okay. So now what we'll do, this is x or with x. This one we can write it as x or with x,
X for
okay, x plus x complement. So if x is 1, x complement is 0. If x is 0, x complement is 1. So always it will result in 1. Okay. Always it will result in 1. Right. So we can write it in this way. So what we'll do now, next step, who can say? What we'll do? This is a plus a into a plus a complement. Okay. A plus a into a plus a complement. So if you write like this, what you will get? X into x, okay, or with x complement plus this, okay, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this is same thing. X into x is how much? Okay,
X
X, sir.
so this we can write it as x into x complement is always how much?
1.
X into x complement. X into x complement means 1 into its
0.
0.
into its complement 1. It will always result in
0,
0,
0.
isn't it? It will
Yes,
always.
sir. 0.
So this will be 0. Okay, this will be again 0. Right. This is same x plus x. Okay. So the answer we will get as x only. Right. So we will be getting it as x plus x.
X plus X.
Okay. So x plus x will always be equal to x only. So x or with x. Let's write or get here. Okay. Write or get here. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So what will be the answer? This is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So if any input is high, output will be high. Okay. So same thing. See, 0 or with 0. See this example, 0 or with 0. Okay, is 0. 1 or with 1 is 1.
1.
So x or with x is always x. Okay.
Last number change करो.
Now let's take some another one randomly.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, X plus X dot 1 ఉంది కదండి సార్.
ah,
మనం డిమార్గన్ లాస్ట్ నుండి కూడా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు కదండి సార్.
any law you can use.
డిమార్గన్ లాస్ట్ ఇస్ వెరీ సింపుల్ సార్. జస్ట్ ఫార్ములా
Yes.
X dot
Answers of every students or everyone will differ as per the logic we opt for. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Right. You can approach. I mean, use any logic. No problem. So let's solve this one. X plus x or with xy. Okay, x or with xy. the answer should be x. Okay, so how to solve this? X or with xy. Okay, this statement can be written as x and with 1, okay, plus x and with y.
Mm.
So if you take x common, what you are left with? It is 1
1 plus
or
y.
1 or with y. Okay, so this is OR gate. Okay, this one you refer. Okay, 1 or with any variable. Okay, 1 or with any variable. This one,
1.
this one,
1.
and this one. It is always 1. So what will be the answer? X.
X into 1. So what? X.
It is x. Okay, right. Okay, we will take out one more example. Like x. See, we have recently solved x or with x into y, okay, is resulting in x. So using duality property, what we can write? So here or is there, or gate, okay, here and gate is there, okay. So the or gate and AND gate, okay, we can change it in duality property. So it will be x, okay, and with,
Dot x plus y.
yeah, x or with y, okay. The answer will be
X.
x, okay, using duality property, right? So this also you have to remember, we will be using this, okay. So we can verify this using some truth table also, okay. We can verify the same using some truth table also, right? Next, another one. See this. We will write x, okay, and with x complement or y, okay, x and with x complement or y. So what we can write? Well, let's find its answer. This will be x and with x complement, okay, or with x and with y, okay. So x and with x complement, what will be the answer?
0.
0. Okay, so this answer is 0, right? So what we can write? It will be xy, okay. This will be xy. This also you have to remember, okay. So these rules we will be using time to time, right? Another one, see, interesting. This is x plus or with x complement y, okay. So what you will get? Let's find out. We can write it as x or with x complement. What is x or with x complement?
1, sir.
It is 1, okay. Let's Just a minute. Yeah. So what will be the answer to this? So someone should answer, then I will explain. Yeah. Anyone say what will be the answer? X or with x complement y. How to solve this? Anyone? What will do first step? First step, what we will do? Which rule we will put here?
Distributive law.
Hmm?
Sir, we can use distributive law to solve this.
Yes. See, let's see this chart. Which law you can put? This one. We can put it there, right? X plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. We can put this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's write this. What was the rule? X plus yz is equal to, it can be written as what? X or with y.
X bar.
Okay. And x or with z, isn't it? So what we have written here, x plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. Okay, x plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. Okay. Now x plus x bar y, what we can write? X plus
X
x
or
bar y.
X bar.
So we can write it as x or with x complement. Okay, and with x or with y, isn't it? So what will be x plus x complement?
1, sir.
That is 1.
1.
This is x plus y. Okay, so what will be the answer?
X plus Y.
X plus x
Y.
complement y is equal to x plus y. Okay, directly we will be using this. Okay, x plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Okay, b plus b bar c is equal to b plus c. Right. Let's solve another one. X or with y. Okay, and with x or with y complement. Okay, so we will say what will be the answer?
X dot X plus Y bar.
So it will be x dot x bar
Plus
plus x dot y bar plus
Y
y
dot
dot
X.
x plus
Y dot Y bar.
y dot y bar.
Sir, X dot X. First one.
Okay. First one is x dot x. Right. This is y dot y bar. So what will be y dot y bar?
0.
0.
Y dot y bar will be 0. And what will be x dot x?
X.
X.
X. Okay. So let me write it like this.
Place.
This is x. Okay. And
Y plus Y bar. Sir,
wait a minute. If you take common here,
sir.
hmm,
Y plus Y bar. That means
okay, this is 0 anyway, right? I have taken x common. I have taken x common, right? So it is, this is 0. Okay. So what will be the answer? X
X
and with
not
y plus y bar. Y
1,
or
sir.
with y bar. Okay. Y or with y bar is how much?
1, sir.
1. Okay. So 1 plus x is how much? 1 plus x.
1.
It's 1, right? So what we can write here?
X into 1.
X into
1, sir.
x. Okay. This answer is 1, right?
Hmm.
Anyway, this is 0. So what you can write? This is 1 plus x is always 1. Okay. 1 or with anything is 1 only. Okay. 0 and with anything is 0 only. So 1 or with anything is 1 only. So this is x and with 1. So what will be the answer? The answer will be x. Okay. The answer will be x. So x plus y into x plus y bar. Answer is x. A plus b into a plus b bar is equal to a. Right? This is also an interesting result we will be using. Okay. Right. We'll look into another interesting result. Okay. So let's see. X and with y or with x complement and with z. Okay. Or with just a minute. Or with y and with z. Okay, y and with z. Y and with z. So how we can solve this? We would like to find some reduced expression for this. So what we'll do, we'll take x and y, x complement z, this is yz. We'll take a variable x plus x complement. What is x plus x complement? X or with x complement. 0,
1, sir.
1 or 1 with 0 is always 1. So it doesn't
1.
make any sense, right? So yz into 1. So instead of 1, we have written x plus x complement. Okay. So if you write like this, this is xy plus x bar z plus y z x plus y z x complement. Okay. Y z x into y z x complement. Now we'll try to solve this. Okay. You take xy, xyz. I'll write like this. Okay. Then I will take x bar z, x bar z, y.
YZ.
Okay. Now what I can take common?
First to XY, sir.
Hmm. Get 1 plus
1 plus Z.
z. Okay.
Plus X bar Y. X bar Z.
X bar z, if you take, it is 1 plus y.
Y.
Any value or with 1, what will be the answer?
1, sir.
1. So
So XY plus X bar Z.
what will get? We will get, this is xy. 1
Plus
plus z or 1 plus y will be 1. Yes, x bar z. Okay. So let me write the LHS here. We are finding out the answer for xy, x bar z plus yz. If anything is in this form, okay, we can write it like this. Okay.
just lost one.
One more we will see. X plus x or with y, okay, and with x complement or with z, y or with z. Okay, what will be the answer?
X plus Y dot X bar Z. X bar plus Z, sir.
Per plus z. So
Sir.
this is like duality of this. Okay,
Hmm.
duality of this. So where you have and, it can be replaced with OR gate. Where you have OR gate, it can be replaced with AND gate.
Okay.
Okay, so what we can write? We can write
X plus Y.
x and y will become x or y. Okay, and this plus will become a dot, right? Then
X bar plus Z.
x bar. This is from the duality property. Okay, using duality property. Using duality property. Now let's find complement of a function. Okay, complement of a function. Okay, right. Let's say you have a or with b or with c. Okay, I would like to find out complement of this function. Okay, complement of this function, De Morgan's law, right? So what we can write? I would like to find out answer for this. Okay, so I will take some assumption here. I will take some assumption here. I will consider let, okay, b plus c is another variable x. So this can be written as what? A or with x and its complement, right? So this is a plus b complement, De Morgan's law. What you can write? You can write a complement with and with b complement, right? So I have used De Morgan's law. Okay. Then what can be written for this? We have a complement, x complement. Okay. So a complement, what is x? X is b plus c, its complement. Okay. So what is b plus c complement as per De Morgan's law? It is b plus c
C
complement. B complement into
B C complement.
c complement, right? B complement into c complement. So what will be the answer? Will be a complement, b complement, c complement. Okay. We're finding answer for this. Right. Let me write the LHS over here. A plus b plus c whole bar, okay, whole complement can be written as a complement and with b complement and with c complement. Okay, this is also an useful result. Okay, this is also one useful result. It can be generalized to many variables. Okay, and we will write its duality property also. Let's generalize it to many variables. Okay. For many variables, we can write what? A, B, C, or with C, or with D, okay, or with, okay, dot. It can be written its complement, okay, can be written as what? A complement into B complement into C complement, okay, will follow. Last you will get complement of F, right? So if you use duality property, if we use duality property, we can write what?
A dot B dot C plus and so on whole bar equal to
Okay, its complement
equal to
yes,
A bar plus B bar plus and
A
so
bar
on
or B bar or C bar
and so on
yes,
plus F.
right. So these are some important conclusions, okay, which we will be using for reducing functions. Okay. Now take a question. Find the complement of the function I'm writing here. It's given x bar y z bar plus x bar y bar z. Okay. How to find complement of this function? I would like to find out complement of the function. So how we will do?
First one multiplication with y bar
So complement of the function, what we can write? It is asking plus this is the function given. In question it is asking what will be complement of this. Okay. So let me write what will be bar of this. So a plus b bar. What is the formula? A plus b bar is a bar
A
dot
bar dot B bar
A bar dot B bar. Okay, so we can write it as A bar dot B bar. What is A here?
X bar
Okay, so answer is what? A bar dot B bar. So A bar, what you will write?
X bar Y అంటే X Y bar Z sir.
Which one?
Okay sir, clear.
Right? So X complement, Y complement Z and its complement. Right? So what you will get if you solve this? So this is A dot B dot C complement. Okay, A dot B dot C complement. This one. What will get? A complement plus B complement plus C complement. Right? So this is A dot B dot C complement. What we can write?
X bar bar plus అంటే X plus Y bar plus
Per
Z.
bar. Okay, it means what? It's X. Okay,
Ah,
so this
plus Y bar plus Z bar bar.
and with
Sir, plus sir.
Y plus. There is an and here, right? Here. What is plus?
Okay sir, okay sir.
Okay.
Next X
Next
bar
step.
bar
X bar
bar plus
bar plus Y bar bar plus Z bar. Okay. So the answer will be what? This is X plus Y
Y
bar
bar plus
plus Z
Z
into
and
X plus Y.
plus Z bar.
Yes, this is the answer. Okay, right? So if a function is given, we can find its complement. Right, let's take one more example. Another function f is given. So f is equal to, let's take x into y bar z bar, y complement z complement, or with yz. Okay, what will be the answer? What we can do? We'd like to find
Multiplication.
out complement of this. Okay, we would like to find out complement of this. So what we will do? So x and with y bar z bar plus yz,
Yes, like
its bar is equal to
all
this.
bar equal to
Okay, this is a dot b bar. Okay, a dot b bar. What is the formula? A dot b bar. Who will say what is the formula? A dot b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. Right. So the formula was what? De Morgan's law. A dot b, a dot b bar was equal to how much? A bar.
dot
Hmm.
B bar
So here A is this
X
x. Okay, B is this. So what we can write?
X bar
X bar.
dot
Hmm.
Y bar Z bar plus YZ all bar
Y bar Z bar
plus YZ.
and its whole bar. Okay, there is a dot here.
So Y bar Z bar
There is a dot here. Okay.
is also like
Hmm.
A plus B.
Now,
Sir, A plus B, sir. It means A bar dot B bar.
hmm, this is a plus b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. So
Sir.
what we can write?
X bar dot
X bar will be as it is. Okay. Plus a plus b bar is a bar dot b bar. Okay. So y bar z bar it's bar dot b bar.
YZ all bar.
Y z whole bar.
Sir,
Okay. Then what we will write? Y bar z bar whole bar. What will be the formula?
YZ.
YZ or y plus z?
Y plus Z, sir.
Y plus z. Okay. So this can be written as x complement plus, okay, the first one will be y or with z. The second one will be
Dot, sir.
y dot y dot.
Sir, in place of plus, we can use dots. X bar dot YZ all bar.
X bar will be as it is.
Sir.
Okay.
So,
Tell me formula for this. A bar, B bar, whole bar.
Adi okay, sir.
But that
second
only
one-
I have substituted here.
Sir, you wrote plus there after
Well-
X bar.
After X bar, sir.
After X bar, it will be plus only, right?
No, sir. Answer dot.
In second line, sir. I mean, first line, pink color
Okay,
one, sir.
Here. Okay. So this is dot.
Sir. Your answer, sir.
Wait a minute. No, A dot B bar. What is the formula?
A bar
B
plus B bar.
Sorry. A dot B bar. What is the formula? It is A bar plus B bar,
A
right?
bar plus B bar. That's it.
So here there is a plus. Okay. Here there is a plus.
Yeah, sir.
So here there is a plus. Okay. So because of pen, it stopped at dot. So this is A dot B bar. Okay. A dot B bar is A bar plus B bar. So that is what we have done here. Okay. Now here A plus B whole bar, again A bar dot B bar, right? Now Y bar Z bar whole bar can be written as
Y bar plus Z bar.
AB whole bar can be written as what?
A bar plus B bar, sir.
So this will be Y bars bar plus Z bars bar. So Y plus Z, right?
Sir.
Y plus Z. So what will be the other one?
Y plus Z all bar.
Not
Y
whole
bar
bar.
plus Z bar.
Y bar plus Z bar.
Z bar, sir.
Right. So if you solve this, what will you get?
Y into Y bar 0. Y into Z bar plus Z into Y bar.
So this will be X bar, okay, plus Y bar.
0, sir.
Y bar 0. Y Z bar, okay, will stay. Then Z Y bar.
Z bar. Z Y bar.
Z Y bar will be there. Z bar is 0.
0.
So this will be the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, is it clear? So we'll stop here. Next class we'll take few more examples. Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Okay. CR, send me attendances. Okay. So stop here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.